Well, I'm a bit of a naturist really in my spare time. I like to, just let it sort of all hang out, like in the woods or something like that. I'm quite a hairy guy, and I do tend to feel warm even in the winter. So yeah, sort of natural hiking, I like to call it. Uh, that's what I do in my spare time. I enjoy it. I may have a video. I'll see if I can dig it out. I'll have a look. Oh yes, we do have breaks from filming, and I tend to get away from it all. It's a funny story. I remember this one time. I went to um, Oregon, I believe it was. There's a nice little forest there, and I like to do my naturist thing and let it all hang out there. And I was just standing there, enjoying the breeze, looking at the sky, and I didn't realize I was standing right next to a public campsite. And I turned around and there were people taking photographs of me, and naturally I just left. Um, and didn't think much of it. That was on the Monday. I went back on the Tuesday and the Wednesday and the Thursday, but I didn't see no one. Well, they didn't see me anyway. But on a Friday, I remember going back there and noticing a sort of bit of a commotion. And there was one of those news vans with a little satellite dish on the roof, and cameras everywhere. So I tried not to, get noticed because obviously I was naked. But they saw me, and they were taking photographs and chasing after me and shouting. I believe they were shouting, "Bigfoot! There's Bigfoot!" They weren't looking at my foot. One of the worst holidays. Oh yeah, that's an easy one for me. Um, I remember doing some research on naturist websites, um, and I typed the web address in wrong, and the result came up as Wookie Hole, which turns out to be a place in England, in Somerset. So I went there with sort of huge expectations, but when I got there, it wasn't what I thought it would be. Um, it was just a cave. It was just a cave. I was disappointed.